is vertical angles. This one we will use this a lot in the next unit, so make sure to pay attention to this one. Vertical angles by definition are angles opposite each other when two lines cross. And what's very special about vertical angles is that they are congruent. Remember, congruent means that they are equal. Okay, so I have, for my illustration, line 1, line 2, they cross, woohoo. Vertical angles are the kissing angles. So these two are kissing, they're touching, kissing. And the other set of vertical angles are these because they are kissing this way. They're apparently doing the Spider-Man kiss. So vertical angles, they are the same measurement. You can't, anytime you question, like, Ms. Reiner says they're the same, get your protractor out, try it, measure that angle, measure the other angle. Are they the same? Prove to yourself, question it and prove it that they are the same. So example 1 here does say name the two pairs. So we have one right here and one right here. Change some colors here. We have kissing ones right here as well. So the vertical angles, we have angle 3 and angle 4. And we have angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. So what is the vertical angle that's vertical of VZY? So what is the angle vertical with VZY? Well, that would be XZW. All right, to save us a little bit of time, I'm not doing both of these, but they both work the same as far as how to solve them. So again, go back to OneNote to see number 4 after we do number 3 to see if you got it correct. All right, so remember, vertical angles are congruent. Congruent means equal. So that means that I'm going to take one angle and set it equal to the other angle. Okay? This is a little trickier algebra to get to x. So I need to group my x's together. I need to group my numbers together on opposite sides. I like to take the smaller x and move it to the other side by, if it's positive, I'm going to subtract it. If it's negative, I'm going to add it. Okay, so then I get 7 equals negative 20 plus 3x, because 16 minus 13 is 3. Then I'm going to add 20 to both sides, because I'm now down to a 2-step equation. Then divide by 3 to get that x equals 9. In this case, I'm done because it says find the value of x. If I needed to find the measurement of the angles, I would plug them in. What's really nice and makes it, sorry if you see the fly flying around, what makes it really nice is that I should get the same number. If I get the same number, I did it correctly. So an easy way to check yourself here. All right, so again, I'm skipping example 4, check it in OneNote, looking at example 5. It is the same way, except the difference here is we're actually going to find each angle after we found the value of x. So if this is 5x, and this is 4x plus 10, we know that they are equal. So I'm going to set them equal to one another. I'm going to subtract 4x to get x equals 10. Part 1 complete. So what is 5 times 10? So 5 times 10 means that this is 50. Hopefully this one I get 50 as well. So what is 4 times 10 plus 10? Yay, it is 50. Now what's also cool is I know the other angle measurements as well, because I know that this is a straight line, which means that it is 180 degrees. If I know that this is this right here is 50, then I know that this must be 180 minus 50 to make that straight line. And so I get 130 degrees. Again, we have kissing angles, so this one is also 130 degrees. I'll quickly do this one because I think it's kind of fun, and yes, I know my definition of fun in math is not the same as yours. But if this is 41, then I know this one is 41 degrees. If this one is 72, I know this one is 72 degrees. So I'm just drawing lines to the other angle that makes them kissing. Now, 2 and 4 get a little trickier. However, if I think about this straight line right here, I know that all the angles the angles on this side here, must add up to 180 degrees. So to figure out that last angle, I can do 180 minus 72 minus 41, which gives me 67 degrees. And since they're vertical angles, I know the other one is 67 degrees as well. So that is everything about vertical angles.